right, so let's welcome on stage our next set of performers who will be performing a Bharatanatyam Kautuvam composed by Gangai Muttu Nattuvanar in Ragam Hamsadwani and Talam Adi. Now, Kautuvams are beautiful Bharatanatyam pieces with intricately woven rhythmic syllables and lyrical verses. Now, this creates a blend of nrita, or pure dance with footwork, and abhinaya, expressive dance with gestures and facial expressions together. Natesha Kautuvam was performed as a part of temple rituals or during procession of Lord Shiva's deity, and Natesha is considered as the source of all art forms. Lord Natesha, a form of Lord Shiva dancing above the defeated dwarf demon Abhasmara, who represents ignorance, signifies that knowledge is born from the destruction of ignorance. Now, this dance highlights Shiva's ankle bells, or anklets as you would call them, that produce rhythmic sounds like chum, chum, as he performs. The dance throws light into a visual imagery of Lord Shiva holding the damaru, the drum, and riding the Nandi. The Lord wears tiger skin, adorns his hair with the river Ganga and the moon, and holds a trishul. On stage, we have Anusha Iyer, Ramya Ravi, Ruchiparna Swain, Sanjukta Chakraborty, and Vasudha Venkatadri. Please sit back and enjoy.
Jana
Thank you. That was such a wonderful performance again.